Instead of sending users to separate SharePoint portals, external websites, or relying on email apps, you can deliver a complete support experience directly inside Microsoft Teams. Hi, I'm Porco from Plumsail. Today's topic, using Microsoft Teams as a help desk for your employees. Alright, let me show you how it's done. Teams is the place where your employees already communicate, collaborate, and share information. By adding your help desk portal inside Teams, you give users a familiar place to submit support requests, a way to track their ticket history, an easy-to-browse knowledge base, zero learning curve, and fewer emails sent back and forth to your support agents. It's all about convenience. Users get support exactly where they work. Let's start by embedding your help desk widget with the knowledge base inside the Teams channel. Open the channel where you want your support portal to live. Click Add a tab, click on Apps, search for Plumsail HelpDesk widget, add it and click Save. Now you will see a message saying that the widget isn't configured yet and asking for a configuration ID. That's the next step. Please note, the widget appears in Microsoft Teams only if Plumsail HelpDesk has already been added to your SharePoint tenant, and only admins can add and configure the widget. Regular users can create tickets, browse the knowledge base, and track their requests. Now switch to your HelpDesk site in SharePoint, go to Settings, Widgets. If you already have a widget, simply copy its configuration ID and paste it into Teams. I will create a new one from scratch by clicking New Widget Configuration. I will name the widget and select SharePoint option. Then set Create Tickets as the default tab. I want both tickets and knowledge base available so users can search for answers before submitting a request, so I will select both. In the Tickets feature settings, you can enable or disable the Create Ticket form and choose which ticket views users can see. By default, you will find Active and Solved. You can modify visible fields or create entirely new fields within these views. I will select Active View and add Ticket Status field, click Save, and our widget is ready to go. Copy the configuration ID, return to your Teams tab, open the widget settings, paste the ID, and close the window. Now your self-service portal is live inside of your Microsoft Teams. Inside the portal, users can browse the knowledge base before submitting a ticket. Simply enter keywords and you will get the search results immediately. Users can open related articles and look for a solution before submitting a ticket. This reduces your support agent load significantly. Let's now submit a quick test ticket to see how that side works. Just a quick note in here. Since I'm already logged into Teams, there is no need for additional login or authentication. I can create a ticket to replay to existing ones or browse my past requests. And just like that, a new ticket was created and I also received email confirmation. On the agent side, the ticket is received and it is assigned automatically based on my HelpDesk rules and automations. All comments appear in the conversation thread for that ticket. But that's not all. You may have noticed that the widget settings include an option to customize the form. The great news is you can tailor this form using Plumsail web forms to fit your workflows and needs. You can customize both the ticket form and the comment form. Once your custom form is ready, simply paste the form ID in the widget settings and you're all set. That specific form will be shown in the widget settings instead of the default form. I will leave a link in the description section with step-by-step instructions. That's it, your service desk is now available directly in Teams. Now, everything happens in one place without ever leaving Microsoft Teams. With Plumsail HelpDesk, Microsoft Teams becomes a complete self-service support portal, letting users submit requests, check their tickets, and access the knowledge base all in one familiar place. If you'd like to set this up for your organization, start a free 30-day trial and see how that works for you. The link is in the description section. And don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos are coming soon. See you in the next video.